Hello viewers, welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today I am with this green color envelope I have received from Shibhankar Paul of Hooghly, Kolkata, India. I did receive this envelope on 1st of December 2020. Come on, let's unbox this envelope and see the currencies coming out of this package. This was the nicely packed package received by me from Shibhankar Paul of Kolkata, India. The first one is a 10,000 rupiah of Indonesia issued in the year 1985. On the obverse is the portrait of R.A. Kartini, a famous woman activist, and Prambanan temple, a 9th century Hindu temple in Indonesia. The second one is an odd denominated commemorative edition currency of 75 Pakistani rupee issued in the year 2022 to celebrate the 75th anniversary of independence of Pakistan. On the obverse is the portrait of Syed Ahmed Khan, Mohtarma Fatima Jinnah, Mohammed Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, and on the reverse is a markar, a screw-horned goat, along with our mountain and deodar trees. The third one is a 5,000 riel of Cambodia. On the obverse is a Naga mythical snake head, vessel, King Norodom Sihanouk, and on the reverse is Naga mythical snakehead, Kampong Kdei bridge, Frizzy, and a chariot. The fourth one is a 2,000 riel of Cambodia. On the obverse is the King Father Norodom Sihanouk, Naga mythical snakehead, coat of arms, and on the reverse is a King Norodom Sihanouk leading troops across the river, and Independence Victory Monument. Fifth one is a 1,000 riel of Cambodia. On the obverse is a Naga mythical snakehead, coat of arms, King Norodom Sihanouk, and on the reverse is a Royal Palace throne room, Kinari, half human, half bird. The sixth one is a 500 riel of Cambodia. On the obverse is a Naga mythical snakehead, coat of arms, King Norodom Sihanouk, and on the reverse is a Nak Loeung bridge. The seventh one is a 100 riel of Cambodia. On the obverse is a Naga mythical snakehead, Buddha, Father Sihanouk Norodom, as a young monk and a Khmer statue, silver palace and a Buddha. The eighth one is a 20 maraka or mark of Finland. On the obverse is the portrait of Väinö Linna, who was a Finnish author, and on the reverse is Tamaroski, a channel of rapids in Tampere, Finland. The ninth one is a 1 dinar of Libya. On the obverse is the portrait of Gaddafi, and on the reverse is Malawi Muhammad Mosque at Tripoli. The 10th one is a 100 Kwacha of Zambia. On the obverse is a fish eagle, President Kenneth Kaunda, and on the reverse is a Cape Buffalo, Victoria Falls. The 11th one is a 1,000 dong of Vietnam. On the obverse is the portrait of Ho Chi Minh, and on the reverse is a elephant logging. The 12th one is a 2,000 dong of Vietnam. On the obverse is Ho Chi Minh, and on the reverse is a spinning mills. The 13th one is a 5,000 dong of Vietnam. On the obverse is the portrait of Ho Chi Minh, and on the reverse is a hydroelectric power station. The 14th one is a 100 Ariary of Madagascar. On the obverse is Ambozotani Cathedral, and on the reverse is a frog. The 15th one is a 200 Ariary of Madagascar. On the obverse is a waterfall, Amber Mountain National Park, and on the reverse is Madagascar palm, National Park at Nosy Hara Island. The 16th one is a 500 Ariary of Madagascar. On the obverse is a village and on the reverse is rock formation. The 17th one is a 1000 Ariary of Madagascar. On the obverse is a Kimaro Bridge and on the reverse is a skirt formation. The 18th one is a 2000 Ariary of Madagascar. On the obverse is the monkey, flower and on the reverse are flowers. The 19th one is a 1000 Rupiah of Indonesia issued in the year 1980. On the obverse is the portrait of Dr. Syed who was an Indonesian physician and a nationalist, and on the reverse is Sihanouk Valley, which is a steep valley of west of Sumatra. The 20th one is 10 souls of Peru issued in the year 2019. On the obverse is the portrait of Chachabuca Granda, who was a Peruvian singer and composer, and on the reverse is Vicanua, an animal, and Amacus flower. The 21 is a 10 Lari of Georgia issued in the year 2019. On the obverse is the portrait of apple tree blossom and Akaki Tessereti, who was a prominent Georgian poet and a national liberation movement figure, and on the reverse is a spinning woman from painting of My Mother in 1918 by David Kakabanze. The 22nd one is a 5 Som issued in the year 1997. On the obverse is the portrait of Babusara Baishikalieva, who was a Kyrgyz ballerina, and on the reverse is National Opera at Bishkek. The 23rd one is a 10 Som issued in the year 97. On the obverse is the portrait of Kaziem, who was a linguistic politician and a poet, and on the reverse are mountains. The 24th one is a 20 Som of Kyrgyzstan issued in the year 2002. On the obverse is the portrait of Togorok Moldov, who was a Kyrgyz poet, Manasachi and a folk song writer, and on the reverse is Manas Mausoleum. The 25th one is a 10 Somani of Tajikistan. On the obverse is the portrait of Mir Syed Ali Hamadoni, who was a Persian scholar, poet and a Sufi Muslim saint of Kabrai order, and on the reverse is Mausoleum of Mir Syed Ali Hamadoni in Kabul. The 26th one is a 1000 Kwacha of Malawi. On the obverse is the portrait of Reserve Bank of Malawi, Dr. Hastings Kamutsbanda, who was the Prime Minister and later the President of Malawi, and on the reverse is Muzumuzi Maize Silos. The 27th one is a 500 Kwacha of Malawi. On the obverse is the portrait of Reserve Bank of Malawi, along with is Reverend John Chinebeva, who was a Baptist pastor, educator and revolutionary, and on the reverse is Mulunzi Dam. The 28th one is a 200 Kwacha of Malawi. On the obverse is the portrait of Reserve Bank of Malawi and Rose Lamantinda Chimbambe, who was a prominent politician in the British Protectorate of Nyasaland in the year leading up to the independence as the state of Malawi in 1964, and on the reverse is Parliament building at Linglonge. The 29th one is 100 Kwacha of Malawi. On the obverse is the portrait of Reserve Bank of Malawi and James Frederick Sangala, founder member of Nyasaland African Congress during the period of British colonial rule, and on the reverse is a College of Medicine at Ballantyre. The 30th one is 50 Kwacha of Malawi. On the obverse is the portrait of Inkisoya Makasoi Philip Guami II, and on the reverse is elephant safari jeep at Kasunga National Park. The 31st one is a 20 Kwacha of Malawi. On the obverse is the portrait of Inkisoya Yamakasoi Membe II, and on the reverse is Machinga Teacher Training College books, doctor's hats. That's all about this unboxing video. Thank you for watching.